Hey guys, it's Keith from Vector Off-Road, and today we're going to be installing a very popular product for the JK Wrangler two-door. It's our rear cargo platform. It will double the useful space in the back of your Jeep. Let's jump right into it. We've taken the top off of this Jeep to be able to show you the process easier. If you want to leave it on, you can leave it on. It'll go in either way. First thing you're going to want to do is pull out your hardtop bolts. Your bracket will sit right here on this ledge, which would be inside of your hardtop if your hardtop was in place. And then just run your hardtop bolts right back through. Run these down all the way. Keep them loose because we want to be able to adjust things until we get the platform in place. Repeat the step on the other side. Make sure this long leg points towards the front of the vehicle. Now that we've got our two side brackets in, we're going to bring in our main platform. The logo will face the rear of the vehicle. It's always a lot easier at this point to bring in an assistant. If you don't have anyone helping you, you can also put a box or something in there to help the platform rest on, but I've got a helper here. Line up the slot on the front of the platform with this front hole. But we're going to do this hardware last when we add the corner reinforcement. So just take your bolt with a washer and send it through there. And then get another one, bolt with a washer through here. Then take another washer on the inside with a lock nut. Get these started. Keep everything loose until your final step when we'll do a final torque. Now we'll go ahead and move around and work on the roll cage support brackets. Start with your small corner reinforcement bracket. Line it up here. Bring your bolt and washer through the side. Put your washer and your lock nut on the inside. The rear support bracket uses the seatbelt bung for its main attachment. Use a panel tool to pull off the seatbelt cover, and then you'll need a Torx to remove the bolt. Use a T50. These are tight because they have thread locker on them. Back it all the way out. Position your bracket against the platform. Use the provided hardware through the slot and get it started in the bung. You're going to want to keep this loose until our final step. Use a bolt and a washer. Run it through the bracket. Then take your reinforcement corner here and use another bolt and a washer to go through these holes. Then put your washer and nut on the inside. Let's move to the forward corner here where we're going to place another corner reinforcement bracket. We'll use one of the shorter bolts on the front. Then we'll use one of our longer bolts to go through the side where it's going through multiple layers of steel and aluminum. Put the corner reinforcement plate on the other side of the front. Use the longer bolt here where it goes through multiple layers, and use the shorter bolts on this side. Put a washer and a lock nut on the inside. We've provided tolerance within the holes for you to make fine adjustments. There are some small adjustments here, and as well you can adjust your brackets here in and out to adjust the height of the platform. I'm going to go ahead and just line up this edge, tighten these nuts and bolts here, do the same on the back, and then make my final adjustments with these bolts here. I'm using a 7/16 socket and ratcheting wrench to tighten all the hardware. Final step is to retighten your hardtop bolts with a T50. You should have one in your Jeep's kit. Give these a good turn and repeat that on the other side. We've positioned the platform so that your seat can still go all the way back and have a comfortable recline. From the floor of the trunk to the bottom of the platform is right about 25 inches. Gives you a lot of room for a refrigerator, for camping gear, or even for your dog. The platform easily clears a two-door rear seat if you choose to leave it inside your vehicle. In each of the four corners of the platform, we have tie-down points. We sell an accessory cargo net. It's made from heavy-duty netting. It has adjustable lash points in all four corners. It's a great accessory for keeping all of your gear secured. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. We want you to feel confident in your Vector gear. I weigh 225 pounds and I'm sitting up here on this platform. It holds me no problem at all. Feel free to overland with this, camp with it, explore with it. It's made in the USA. It's an outstanding product. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the trails.